know I look disgusting right now, but I'm gonna take, first up, I'm gonna start with a luminous base. I'm taking the Estee Edit by Estee Lauder Flash Illuminator. I'm taking that just on my foundation brush, which is disgusting, but it's the glow. Next, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm putting it on the high points of my face. So underneath my eyes, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. What I'm doing is I'm like tapping it into my skin. Like it's a tap and swipe. Next up, I'm taking a foundation that's like a contour shade for me. This is the, no, I don't know how to pronounce that, and it's in Cocoa, and I'm gonna be contouring with it. You don't want to take too much of this. You just want to take a little bit amount, and then you can always build it up. And it smells really nice. It doesn't have a scent, but like if you put it close to your nose, you can just smell a nice, like, just a fresh scent. Next up, I'm taking my Laura Mercier sponge and my Shiny Cosmetics translucent powder. And I'm gonna be just putting it on the places where I don't want to shine, and also on my forehead, because I need to set it too. Getting everywhere. You can't really see on camera. Well, it goes a long way with this product. I also love how this product makes your skin feel soft afterwards. I don't know how they do it, but it always makes my skin feel soft. And then I have a lot extra on my face, so I'm gonna be brushing that off. There. Next up for eyeshadow, I'm going into my Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette. I'm going into the shade Whiskey, and I'm packing it onto my outer V. And once again, you want to start with a minimal amount and then go into more and build up the pigment. And then I sweep it through I look in 2 different mirrors. I know this is like hard, but if I have a palette with a mirror, I look in 2 different mirrors to make sure it looks like decent in both, so it's not just like one lighting. I want to keep a very light hand. And next, I'm just gonna find my brush and taking the color High and putting that onto the inner part of my lid. That's literally it for the eyeshadow. That's literally it. Now taking a tiny little detail brush. This is also called a spotter brush. And yes, it's a paintbrush, not a makeup brush. But I like to take this and going into the Lorac Tantalizer and just taking this bronze shade. And since we did face makeup first, you want to use a tiny brush to apply the lower lash line. So next up, I'm going to take my spoolie brush. And what you want to do with eyebrow hairs, you don't want to brush straight back. You want to brush them like featheredly. That makes sense, yeah. Last thing for the eyebrows, I'm taking this Ready Set Brow Mini by Benefit. It's just a brow gel, and I am sweeping my brows in it. Sweeping my brows. Doesn't make a lot of sense, but you get what I'm trying to say. Now, a lot of people say that, which is true, you have to do all creams, including highlighter, before you do translucent powder, and they're right. However, there is another method. If you set the liquid highlighter with a powder highlighter, then it actually takes place for the translucent powder. So I'm putting this Hard Candy Sheer Glow All the Way. This used to be my everything. I put it down for a quick minute. Now I'm picking it back up on my foundation brush again, and I'm only putting this highlighter on my cheeks though. Oh yes. And I think I'm actually gonna put some on my nose. I'm gonna keep it low. I forgot how good this highlighter was. And if it looks really streaky, you want to tap it. Yeah, I am bringing it a tiny bit on my forehead. Now for regular highlighter, I'm starting off by spraying my highlighter brush and tapping it just to make sure it's not too wet. And then I am going to go into my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. This is the Pink Sands. I'm taking this shade and a little bit of these 2 shades. I'm just going on top of the cream. The cream helps make it more blinding. And take a little bit just on my pinky to go up here to give me that defined nose shape. that I made with the contour just helps. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to my Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick. And this is good because it was $9 at Sephora. Oh, my lips are so chapped. Now, finally, going into setting spray. Taking my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray and just spritzing my face.